Hi everyone! Today we are going to present you our socketing machine for polypropylene pipes type BA200PP. This very same machine can be used also to socket PVC pipe, just replacing socketing tool. Let's see together the video. Enjoy! It's a very high-speed and performing machine since it is able to process up to 4 pipes at the same time in the meter range from 32 up to 50 millimeters. 2 sockets in the meter range 63-110 and a single pipe for meter diameter 125-200. There's a lot of space inside the machine, and the operator can move very easily and in a comfortable way to replace socketing tool and to make maintenance.